Hey there, coffee lovers. This is the first in a series of videos about owning a commercial espresso machine. To be clear, these are not the prosumer class espresso machines. Rocket Appartamento, ECM Classica, Quickmill Vetrano, La Marzocco Linea Mini, to name a few. That's not what we're talking about. These are the real deal commercial machines you might see at an upscale coffee shop or restaurant or the Starbucks Death Star. Let's get started. Have you seen the size of these things? Fitting one of these giants in the kitchen might be a real challenge. Next time you go to Starbucks, you might notice one of these Mastrena machines. The dimensions of that bad boy are 20.8 inches wide by 23.8 inches deep by 25 inches high. You don't speak inches? Okay. It's 528.6 millimeters wide by 603.4 millimeters deep by 635.7 millimeters high. Almost as wide as your dishwasher and over 2 feet tall. Will that even fit under a wall cabinet? No, it won't. Let's make some more comparisons. A standard dishwasher is 24 inches wide and a standard stove is 30 inches wide, both of which are under the countertop out of the way. An espresso machine sits on top of the counter, which makes this a major counter hog. This graph compares the width of a dishwasher, stove, and La Marzocco commercial machines. A Group 1 machine is 20 inches wide, a Group 2 machine is 28 inches wide, a Group 3 machine is over a yard wide at 37 inches. Also 940 millimeters wide for metric speaking people. A Group 4 machine, 46 inches wide. That is nuts. How about this for a countertop visual? Here's a Group 2 machine, a Group 3 machine, a Group 4 machine. Do you have any counter space left? Yikes! To wrap things up, if your living space can be found at IKEA, actually in the store, maybe a commercial espresso machine is not a good idea. Ciao for now.